Hello again, this is Mr. Bowman for History Day Work Block. And what I want to talk to you briefly about today is about the oral presentations for the different categories. I've already put together a short video for you to watch on basically presenting an exhibit. I want to kind of reiterate some of the things that we want everybody to try to do during their oral presentation. We want you to understand that you're only going to be presenting in class before the History Day contest. So you're only going to be presenting to your classmates. We want to make this as low anxiety as we possibly can, because talking in front of people, I know sometimes is very hard for some people. We want to have good posture. We want to try our best to make eye contact. We want to try to speak as clearly and as slowly as we can, because when we get nervous, we sort of talk fast. You're going to be able to have note cards in your hand. As you see in my presentation on the exhibit, as I did have note cards in my hand to use as reference points. But quickly, the oral presentations, if you are going to give an oral presentation and your category is a website, you are not going to go through all the different pages of your website. You're probably going to go onto your home page, and you're probably go right to your topic page, explain a little bit about your topic by following the presentation questions. But we're going to obviously want you to show us your exhibit, talk about the topic itself, but we also don't want you to feel like this presentation is going to be really, really lengthy. We're going to try really hard to keep most of the presentations to 5 minutes. So the website, introduce yourself. Hi, my name is so-and-so, junior category, individual or group website, my topic, and you read your title. And then with the website, we'll probably go right to your topic area. Documentaries. Now, if you're putting together a documentary, what we are probably going to do is we're going to want you to show several minutes of your documentary. And then after you go through showing the documentary for several minutes, you'll go right into the presentation questions, and we will try really hard to keep that time limit of 5 minutes. Exhibits. I went through it in the earlier video, kind of showing you how you would go about, just showing your board, talking about the questions. Performance. If you're doing a performance, some classes have no performances, others have several. If you do a performance, you will do the performance in class, which obviously is going to change the time format a little bit, and then we will adjust accordingly with your presentation questions. And then you should feel very comfortable, because we are going to present you with the presentation questions. So you will have them ahead of time. You'll get them in class this week, so you'll be able to prepare for the individual questions. So in a nutshell, good posture, try to make eye contact, no gum, present it with confidence and enthusiasm. This is something that you should be very proud of. And with those categories, again, websites, we're going to get right to the topic. Documentaries, we're going to show a few minutes. Exhibits, you're going to be able to briefly go through and show the display. Performances, you will perform, and everybody will receive the presentation questions. So I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please ask Mrs. Gajewski, Mr. Hansen, or myself. So, good luck.